Hello, this is Kristen with Whiteboard CRM. Today, I'll be running you through our pipeline sequences for active mortgages to help you better understand them. Whether you're entering data for the first time or working to get a clean start on a new year, by the end of this video, you will better understand the following items: Whiteboard's pipeline sequences for active mortgages, the meaning and definitions behind each sequence, and the campaigns associated with them. It is important to make sure each potential borrower falls within the proper pipeline sequence for many reasons. The campaigns for each pipeline are created specifically to automate actions, allowing you more time to do important tasks. If your contacts wind up in the wrong pipeline sequence, they will receive information from the wrong campaigns and therefore likely be lost as a potential client. Lead. The first sequence we will cover is our lead pipeline. Clients who are placed in the lead pipeline are non-referral based, meaning they were received from a source with which you've never had direct communication. For example, you could have received the lead through an online source such as LeadPops or Zillow. These potential clients are considered cold leads and will need their foundation built out before they can move into a new pipeline. But our lead campaigns are a great tool to do exactly that. These campaigns run for a total of 30 days with a mixture of call actions, text messages, and emails that will be sent to the borrower, introducing you and your role, establishing a foundation of who you are, and then driving the client to submit a 1003. If the borrower does not apply within the first 30 days, or about 4.5 weeks, they are automatically migrated into the long-term lead campaign where you and your team will be in contact with them once a month through email and text. Prospect. The next sequence we'll cover is the prospect pipeline. Prospects are like leads, but the main difference between the two is prospects are referral-based. Whether you received their information from a friend, a realtor, or a former client, if the contact is referred to you, they belong in the prospect pipeline. Additionally, if you've had communication with the borrower and know their reason for pursuing a loan, whether a purchase or refinance, they should be listed as a prospect. Our prospect campaigns are like lead campaigns in the manner that they have the same goal in mind: to get the possible borrower to submit a 1003. The prospect campaigns send communication to the borrower as well as the referrer, asking for an application and providing status updates to the referrer. These campaigns run for a shorter amount of time since they need not build a foundation like lead campaigns do, but are more cut to the chase, asking the borrower to submit a 1003 and letting them know they were referred to you by the specific referrer. Like our lead campaigns, if for some reason the borrower does not apply within those first 15 days, the client automatically migrates to the long-term prospect campaigns for drip content, which touches base once a month through email. Prequal. Up next is our Prequal pipeline sequence. Once you receive an application from a lead or a prospect, you need to manually move that borrower to the Prequal pipeline. Prequal, in whiteboard terminology, essentially means you have received a 1003 from the borrower and now you know they're actively searching for a home. At this point, Whiteboard is helping you pursue document collection from them: W-2s, 2 years of tax statements, etc. The idea behind the Prequal campaign is to keep your name in front of the borrower over the next couple of weeks by checking in, sending educational information regarding the loan process, and instilling confidence in the borrower, letting them know you have their best intentions in mind. To help supplement our Prequal campaigns, we have our needs list campaign, which runs alongside the Prequal campaign. It sends out notification reminders to the borrower about which documents you still need to collect to be able to take the next step in the loan process. Application. Once your borrower has finished submitting all the required documentation and they've found a home they're interested in, it's time to manually move their contact into the application pipeline. The application campaigns are not hard and heavy-hitting campaigns with content like our lead or prospect campaigns. Once your borrower finds their dream home, these campaigns confirm the borrower's application data, then sends out notifications to all the partners associated with the mortgage and the borrower, letting them know it's time to move into the underwriting stage. From this point, our milestone campaigns work wonders. These campaigns are built to supplement our application pipeline sequence by sending out an email and a text to the borrower, as well as any partners associated with the loan, letting them know once an appraisal has been ordered or received, when the loan is clear to close, when closing disclosures are out, as well as a few other milestones. Funded. As soon as the loan has been approved and the borrower has been funded, it's time to manually move them into the funded pipeline. We have funded campaigns that keep you in contact with the borrower for the first 6 months, which helps you maintain a relationship with that borrower and potentially get more personal referrals by checking in on any questions they might have. After the first 6 months, the borrower's funded record migrates to the funded long-term campaign with the goal to revisit the borrower's mortgage terms annually on their mortgage anniversary date. Thank you for viewing our video and for being a Whiteboard user. If we did not cover a specific topic that you need more information about, please use our support chat feature or visit our knowledge database.